Even if AI stopped getting better today, it would still take us years to find all the ways it can make our daily lives, work, and learning easier. At RA Models, a health technology company, we carefully test each AI helper's unique style and combine text, voice, pictures, and video to create experiences that are easy for everyone to use. Our goal is to help people try out and use AI so technology can be shaped to fit their needs as the world changes. MyBook is our quality improvement project, inspired by a vision to help people share their stories. Its success depends not only on what AI can do, but also on how it communicates, with a friendly tone, clear conversation, memory for your preferences, and skill in using personal stories and data. In our workshops, you'll learn how to work with these differences, especially when writing memoirs or preserving personal histories across many languages and cultures. Want your AI requests to be clear and effective? The 5W1H method is your helpful tool. 5W1H stands for who, what, when, where, why, and how. This method helps you ask the right questions and get complete answers. Whether you are a senior living in a retirement community or a professional in the biotech industry, using 5W1H with AI prompt cards makes your instructions clear, practical, and respectful of different cultures. 5W1H turns vague ideas into specific, useful guidance for AI systems. It helps make sure nothing important is missed. In our workshops, you'll learn to create clear, personalized AI prompts using card decks based on the 5W1H questions. For retired professionals, this approach saves time and lets you use your expertise, making AI a true partner in preserving your stories and achievements in art and science. You'll join the AI-assisted memoir writing workshop using the MyBook AI toolbox to help you finish your book and turn your life story into a movie to share. Start capturing your memories today and create treasures that last for generations.